going to go get my rear tires finally installed now. It's been some time since I got the front tires. They are Pirelli P0 All Season Plus 225. I was thinking that was a police. 225, 45, R18. These ones will be in the rear. For the ones in the rears will be 255, 45, R18. Because I want to test out a size for potential front tire for a aftermarket wheel setup, which I want to go at least 18, like at the minimum, like probably actually the maximum for the fronts, 18 by 8.5, and then go like 18 by 9.5 in the rear. Go 18 by 9.5 in the rears. For that, for the rears, because I don't want to go too crazy at all. So yeah, I'll catch up on y'all when I'm at the shop. Alright y'all, I have gotten the tires installed. They are installed, and after taking pictures of it and finding photos of my older tires to compare the width to, I am now back on the road. I'm going for the first drive in the new tires. See how good this feels. Alright, whenever I'm able to, I'll go. I guess in the meantime, I'm gonna go set my route to home and then I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Got my route set up so I can get home, and let's go for a ride. So now my current tire and wheel setup, I got my OEM stock 18-inch rims, 18 by 8 in the front, 18 by 8.5 in the rear. Good grief, they're going fast. And so I have 225, 45 in the front on Pirellis, and then 255, 45 in the rear. The car so far sounds a whole lot more quiet. Not as much road noise, for sure. I'm stoked. truck just go for once? You know, normally trucks go super fast, but whenever you want them to actually go semi-fast, they never go fast. I don't know what's the issue with that. Oh well. But now since tires are done, next thing on the list is saving up for a Tomy exhaust. After I get the Tomy exhaust and get it put on, I'm going to start saving up for either coilovers or a cold air intake. It would depend on which I feel like I want to do at the moment. If I want to go, since after getting the exhaust and tires, continue to go more performance, like since I got Pirellis, that's performance tires. You want me to go either performance and just go get a cold air intake, one that will increase power, also it would help me on miles per gallon, or get a really good, save it for a really good coilover setup, probably like BC Racing coilovers or Tanabe coilovers, Tyne coilovers if I want to be cheap, but we don't do cheap here. I got Pirellis, we don't do cheap. I don't get Sunny tires. We get the best tires, we get the best exhaust, we get the best suspension setup. That's what we do. We don't go cheap on our Z's. I mean, there's people that do, but a car enthusiast doesn't go cheap on their car. But yeah, I'm really happy about these tires, and I'll see y'all next time.